Have a wonderful morning, my dear students. Welcome to our first video of Chapter 6, Kingdoms, Kings and Early Republic. Let us begin the video. How some men became rulers. बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते होंगे कि पास्ट टाइम में राजा और रानियां हुआ करते थे जो कि लोगों पर शासन करते थे। बट क्या आप जानते हैं कि एंशियंट टाइम्स में लोग राजा कैसे बनते थे? इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल लर्न हाउ सम मैन बिकेम रूलर्स इन पास्ट। अश्वमेधा यज्ञ। हाउ वाज अश्वमेधा परफॉर्म्ड? Around 3000 years ago, during Vedic and later Vedic period, we find some changes taking place in the ways in which Rajas were chosen. Some men became recognized as Rajas by performing very big sacrifices. One of these sacrifices is Ashwamedha or horse sacrifice. The Raja who organized the sacrifice was How was Ashwamedha performed? So students, Ashwamedha was performed by the Rajas who organized the sacrifice, recognized as being very powerful. During the performance of Ashwamedha Yajna, a horse was set loose to wander freely and it was guarded by the Raja's man. जैसा कि आप में से कुछ बच्चों ने रामायण में भी देखा होगा कि किस तरह से राम के अश्वमेधा यज्ञ के घोड़े को लव कुश ने पकड़ लिया था और उन्हें लड़ाई करनी पड़ी। It means if the horse wandered into the kingdoms of other rajas and they stopped it, they had to fight. Other option was to accept the supremacy of that Raja who performed this ritual, and he had to be present at the sacrifice place. The Raja was central figure in these rituals. He often had a special throne or a tiger skin to sit. His charioteer, who was his companion in battlefield, chanted tales of his glory. His family members, like sons and wives, had to perform some minor rituals. The Raja was central figure. Other Rajas who accepted his supremacy had to sit and watch the rituals. They also brought gifts for him. Priests performed the rituals including the sprinkling of sacred water on the king. The ordinary people, the Vish or Vaishya, also brought gifts. However, Sudras were excluded from many rituals. Students, let's talk about different groups of society during Vedic and later Vedic period. Social groups in Vedic period. There were several different groups in society in Vedic period around 3000 years ago. These were priests, warriors, farmers, traders, crafts persons, laborers, fishing folk and forest people. Let's talk about Varna system. The priests divided people into 4 groups called Varnas. They had decided that each Varna would have a different set of functions. The first Varna was that of Brahmins who were expected to study the Vedas, perform sacrifices and receive gifts. Second group was Kshatriya. People of this group were expected to fight, battle and protect people. Third group was the Vish or Vaishyas. They were expected to be farmers, herders and traders. All these three groups, Brahmin, Kshatriyas and Vaishyas, could perform sacrifices. Last were the Sudras, who were expected to serve the other three groups and could not perform any rituals. Often, women were also grouped with the Sudras. Later, priests decided some people like craft persons, hunters, gatherers as untouchables and the people of this group. Students, let's revise the content. In ancient India, some of the Rajas were probably chosen by the Jana, the people. Some changes regarding the election of the Raja took place around 3000 years ago. Some men performed Aswamedha sacrifice and came to be recognized as Rajas. Later, Vedic texts like Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharvaveda mentioned certain rules about the society. There were different groups in the society such as priests and warriors, farmers, herders, traders, craft persons and laborers. The priests divided people into 4 groups called Varnas. Each Varna had different sets of functions. Now students, be ready for your questions. Question 1. The Aswamedha was sacrifice of dash. Option A, horse. Option B, cow. Option C, bull. And option D, goat. Your correct answer is option A, horse. Question 2. Which of these groups of people were not allowed to take part in the rituals after the Aswamedha? Option A, Vish or Vaishya. Option B, priests. Option C, women. Option D, Sudras. Your correct answer is option D, Sudras. Question 3. This group was expected to be farmer, herder or trader. Option A, Brahmin. Option B, Kshatriya. Option C, Vaishya. And option D, Sudra. Your correct answer is option C, Vaishya. Question 4. Who guarded the horse when it was set loose to wander? Option A, Janas. Option B, Rajas, man. Option C, ordinary people. And option D, Raja himself. Your correct answer is Raja's man. Students, your homework questions are given on the slide. Just note it down and do it correctly. Thank you. See you soon in our next module.